In this video, I will show you how to remove a payment method on PS5. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So here we are. As you can see, we're currently on the PS5 home screen. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and press X onto the gear icon to come into your settings. From here, just scroll down to users and accounts and press X. Then what you need to do is make sure you're on account on the menu on the left hand side. Then if you press right on your controller and come down to payments and subscriptions, then press X. And from here you can see payment methods at the top, so just press X to go to your current payment methods. Now to go ahead and remove a payment method from here, all you need to do is find the one that you want to remove. And then what you need to do is press the options button on your controller. So that's the little button just here. As you can see, this is going to bring up some options, and what we can do is just go ahead and select remove, and this is going to go ahead and remove that payment method from PS5. So that is how to remove a payment method on PS5. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.